Come, sir.
Yeah, please come.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please sit.
Thank you.
What is your good name?
My name is dwithun.
Okay. Kindly tell more about yourself.
I am from Kokrazar, Assam. I have studied my graduation from Dibrugarh University in Electronics and Communication Engineering and did M.Tech in Bioelectronics from Techford University. And I love playing football and flute. That's all about me, sir.
Okay. So,
How come from science background to civil service?
As I did my graduation in engineering, I think as administrations are becoming more complex, so I think my expertise in engineering and science background, definitely it will be working for better public services. That's why I have chosen to opt for the civil services.
uh, how far do you think India is going ahead with regards to space diplomacy?
Yes, India has been from the from 1960 onwards. India has been doing some great in as far as space is concerned. Because after ISRO has come up, so recently India has also working on the various missions like Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan 2 is also going to be launched in this year, 2023, and along with that, India is also working on manned space mission.
What will you do if you become a millionaire?
Millennia. First of all, as I considered public service to be one of the greatest service.
How will you spend the money?
First of all, I'm going to spend for the education, and then maybe I'll be spending for the health sector also. For example, in my own places, there has been lots of infrastructural problems as far as the education and health are concerned.
Will you still join the services then after becoming a millionaire?
Definitely, sir, because the diversity, even if somebody is millionaire, maybe the diversity that civil service has, I don't think he or she may not get. But I think if I will come to the services, definitely I will get more chances to be working with the people, and definitely I will be spending those money, even if I will be in the services.
What is the third Bodo Accord?
It was third Bodo Accord was signed in January 2020 by National Democratic Front of Bodoland, Indian government and Assam government. This particular accord is known as Bodo Peace Accord. Through this accord, there has been extension of the existing BTC Accord 2003. So streamlining of various provisions and earlier accord. So that has been done in this particular accord, BTC.
What is sovereignty?
Sovereignty means it's a country can if a country is sovereign, so that country can take its own decisions.
Own decisions like?
Own decision means decisions regarding its own development agenda and without taking the help of others.
Say, for example, we are implementing SDG goals and we are being directed by the UN to adopt those goals in our development, right? So, do you think India's sovereignty is hampered?
I don't think so, because this is for the goods. This is the goods for our own people. So those decisions may not be hampering the strategic autonomy of the particular country, as well as the sovereignty of that country.
How far do you think the Bodo community is similar or different from the mainstream Assamese community?
Means, ma'am, as far as the difference is concerned, basically, as Bodo are also living in Assam, difference lie in the languages, maybe in some cultural aspect also, but from territorial perspective, I think Bodo people are also culturally and culturally as well as traditionally very similar to the service people.
And what are your hobbies? You said football?
Yeah, and flute.
Football and flute. Yes, okay. Flute you have learned on a professional professionally or you just play, you know?
Actually, when I studied in schooling, I was in Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kokrajhar. So I used to play in my school along with some of the friends. So even if I have not taken the professional practices, professional training, but I learned from my friend.
Okay.
বাগৰুম্বা আৰু বড়ো চিখলাই দুটা বেলেগ নেকি?
বাৰ্ডি চিকলা।
বাড়ি চিখলা, সৰি।
আমি বাৰ্ডি চিকলা আৰু বাগৰুম্বা বুলি ক'লে বাৰ্ডি চিকলা যিটো অসমীয়াত বৰদৈ চোলা বুলি কোৱা যায়, মানে সেইটো যেতিয়া বহাগ মাহত আমাৰ বড়োত বাৰ মানে বতাহ, দৈ মানে জল, মানে তাৰপিছত দৈ এণ্ড চিকলা মিনছ ছোৱালী এজনী। দেন দিছ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ বাৰ্ডি চিকলা ৱৰ্ড হেজ বিন কম্পেয়াৰ্ড উইথ দ্য গাৰ্ল অফ ৱাটাৰ এণ্ড this bota.
A lot of words which have come to the Assamese language
Yes, sir.
from Bodo.
Yes, sir.
Can you identify those words?
For example, Zakoi, we say Jekai. Khaloi, we said Kobai. Then Atu, we said Hantu. Those words, sir. And there are lots of words, sir.
There are many words.
And
which-
Di, yes, sir.
So like dikho.
Diko, Dikrang, Dibang, Disang. Each and every, most of the rivers in Assam.
Can you tell us what are the unique features of Bodo people in comparison to other tribal communities that we have in Assam?
First of all, the religion. In Assam, Bodo people actually follow the Bathoism. Batho means the 5 element. Ba means 5 and Tho means very deep. So this particular religion, as far as other religion or religion of the other tribes are concerned, this 5 element worship is mainly one of the characteristic of the Bodo.
So
What
a
are the
particular
protections?
plant is worshipped, right? One
Yes,
particular
Sijo
plant.
plant is worship.
Okay.
What are the protections provided for ST and SC communities in our constitution?
In our yes. First of all, 6th schedule we have, and for Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, and Meghalaya, and for 5th schedule and other than these areas, protection. Yes.
How many councils we have?
We have presently 3 as per under 6th schedule.
Okay. Apart from
From
Sixth
6th schedule, we
schedule.
have maybe 12, I think.
Why are the 6 scheduled areas protesting against the Panchayati Raj institutions being implemented there?
Panchayati Raj in 5th schedule areas.
6 scheduled
6th
areas.
schedule areas. So as far as the 6th schedule is concerned, ma'am, there has been certain provisions. Subjects are being given in 6th schedule areas where they can legislate their own. But when the Panchayati Raj will come, maybe they will not be getting the chance to legislate on those subjects.
What is your point?
please continue.
What is your point of view regarding that? Don't you think if PRIs are instituted in the 6 scheduled areas, there will be more participatory
Yes.
democracy?
I will agree with this because from my own 6 scheduled areas, I have seen as far as the BTR is concerned, even if there is this one BCDC councils, but they have not been conducted the BCDC election. So if the Panchayati Raj will come into 6 scheduled areas, maybe there will be election and more participatory of the people will be there.
What is the most important thing to maintain a healthy relationship with others?
For individual or community?
Individual. If you have your friends or colleagues, what do you think is most important?
We have to respect each other.
Respect.
Maybe yes. Maybe there may be difference in views and all, but still we have to respect the difference.
Okay, tell me what you do best. If anything you can identify that you do best, that is best in you.
Sir, I'm not getting the question.
Anything, any quality you have,
Yes, sir.
any act you perform,
Yes, sir.
anything
Yes, sir.
which according to you is the best thing you can do.
Sir, definitely I will try to do better than best also, sir. I can also keep on learning on that particular where I am best.
No, my question is apni কোনবা এটা কাম যেটো সবকে বেস্ট কৰে হেতু সুধিছো.
ঠিক আছে স্যার, এইটো যদি বেস্ট হৈ যায় স্যার, কোৱেশ্যনটো মই ভালকৈ বুজি পোৱা নাই স্যাৰ।
Anything you do say, maybe fluটো আছে আপনি হেতু
ঠিক আছে।
বেস্ট
Okay.
আপোনাৰ কামবিলাকৰ ভিতৰত you do best.
ঠিক আছে।
আৰু তাৰ বাহিৰেও anything যেটো আপুনি ভাল পাই কৰি
কৰি পেলাই চব বাঢ়িব যায় ভাল পাওঁ মই।
Oh, that is that is what is best about
Okay,
you.
sir, I am now getting the best things that, sir, along with the flute, I also cook certain food.
Okay.
That's
What kind of cuisines?
maybe, sir, our own traditional cuisines.
Do you think that our traditional cuisines are not marketed that well as regards to, if we compare the same to Naga cuisine,
Yes.
they have done exceptionally well,
Yes, yes.
right? We can find in all the metro cities we
Yes,
can
yes.
find one Naga restaurant, but the same cannot be said about our own,
Assamese.
yeah, even Assamese or our other ethnicities that belong to Assam.
Yes, sir. Maybe Naga people have been they have been getting the state support. So I think as far as the Assamese cuisines are concerned, we have to do more as far as the exhibitions of our traditional foods are concerned in other states. So definitely, if these kind of things are being done, maybe it will work.
Okay, thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you.